Given to you is y is a real number. Cot inverse y lies in this range, which you already know. Tan inverse y is here, that also you know. Now they are asking sum of all the solutions of this equation and for y lies between 0 and 3. What does that mean? Modulus of y lies between 0 and 3. That means y lies between negative 3 and 3. Okay, now let's look back to the equation. What does it say? That tan inverse of something plus cot inverse of another something. Now do you see that what is this something? Reciprocal, right? Reciprocal of this. That is what is here. What do you think? Which formula do you want to use? This one, right? So let's start using that. Okay, now we are going to write tan inverse of this plus. Now cot inverse of this would be tan inverse of the reciprocal only when your argument is positive. What is the argument? 9 minus y square over 6y. What do you know? If your y is here, then 9 minus y square is all the time positive, right? And how about 6y? It will be positive only when y is positive. That means you are left with two cases. To lie in the first one, you want your y to be positive, then only the complete thing would be positive. So let's assume, let's say case 1, okay? And in case 1, what do you want? Your y to be positive, okay? Now, if your y is positive, then what can you do? You can write cot inverse of that as tan inverse of its reciprocal is equal to 2 pi by 3. That's all. Now you have to simplify a little bit more. So what do you get? 2 tan inverse. Cancel out the 2. Take tan on both sides. What is tan pi by 3? Root 3. Now you just form a quadratic equation out of this, which would be y square plus 2 root 3y minus 9, that is equal to 0. Now you can either factorize or just use your formula. Let's use the formula. Y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square. How much is this square? 12. 4ac, that minus minus is plus, 4ac is 36 divided by 2. Okay, how much do you get? Minus 2 root 3 plus minus, this is root 48, 16 3s are 48, so 4 root 3, okay, upon 2. So why you end up in getting two values minus this plus minus. Okay, if you cancel out the 2 from the denominator, you end up in getting this. Okay, so you are only going to take the positive y value, right? Because we are in the case when y is positive. So from here you end up in getting y is equal to minus root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is root 3. So y value you got to be, one solution is root 3. Now let's go to the another case. Okay, case 2, that says that your y is negative. Okay, when y is negative, now let's again start writing the equation. And what happens to the second one? You are going to get pi plus tan inverse. Pi plus tan inverse. You understood, right? Now only the equation is going to change and you have to look for your solution. Minus pi by 3, and then you end up in getting, or you can write that tan inverse this is equal to pi by minus pi by 6. Now you can take tan on both sides. You end up in getting 9 minus y square is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so from here again you start forming your quadratic equation. That would be y square and then minus 6 root 3y and then minus 9 is equal to 0. Now look for the solution. Again use your formula, minus b plus minus under root b square. Okay, how much is that? Let's not solve. Let's write 36 times 3 and then 36, okay, divided by 2. Okay, what more? 6 root 3 plus minus, from here 36, 36 is out, so you get 6 and root 4. Okay, so 12. Okay, 12 over 2. What is that? 3 root 3, if you get rid of the denominator, 6. Okay, but what you are looking for the negative value. Okay, so which value you are going to report? The one with negative sign in between, this. Okay, so you got your two solutions, this one and this one. Now what is the sum? Sum of the solutions would be root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 6, and that would be 4 root 3 minus 6. Okay, let's look if we have 4 root 3 minus 6. Yes, we do. Okay, so C is your correct option. I will see you with another question soon. Bye bye.